it's Kate with WTI. Now, if your cutting boards are as sad and dehydrated as mine, you may just need this cutting board maintenance set from Caron Doucet. Now, this set has saved my cutting boards. I just can't believe what a difference it makes. Now, you start with the soap. This is a really gentle soap. It has a mild lemony scent. It's a cast style soap, so it's going to be really gentle on your cutting boards. When your cutting boards are cleaned and dry, you can move on to the cutting board oil. So you apply a thin layer of this, you rub it in, and you will instantly see that your cutting boards are rehydrated. What I appreciate about this oil is that it's made with coconut, so it doesn't turn rancid, it's not sticky, you're not gonna get a smell. In fact, it repels odors. I've used this on several cutting boards, but also my table. So I sanded down this table a year or so ago, and I haven't really done a whole lot with it. So being able to oil it and then followed by the wax has made such a massive difference. The cutting board wax is what's gonna seal in the moisture and repel water. And again, really easy to use. You just get a cloth and apply some of this and you're all set. After all 3 steps are done, it dries down with no residue at all. Your old cutting boards will look new again. They'll be nice and refreshed so that you can display them and not be embarrassed. So I definitely recommend this set, and that's my point of view.